Imagine a simple, everyday item that could shift the energy in your home, bringing positivity, peace, and balance. Something so small, yet so powerful. It has been used for centuries to purify spaces, attract good energy, and block negativity. That item is something you probably have in your kitchen right now. Salt. At first glance, salt might seem insignificant, but in Buddhism, this humble mineral has a deep and sacred history, one that carries with it the power to transform the energy around you. What if I told you that just by placing salt in a specific corner of your house, you could change your life in ways you never imagined? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this ancient Buddhist technique to invite peace and harmony into your home. Let's begin. 1. The secret power of salt. Salt is far more than just a seasoning. In Buddhism, it symbolizes purity, protection, and the cleansing of negative energy. From ancient temples to modern homes, salt has been used to create a spiritual shield, to absorb the bad and let in the good. But why is salt so powerful? It's not just a mineral, it's an energy purifier. Imagine it as a magnet, drawing away negativity and harmful energies that might be lingering in your living space. Think about this for a moment. What if something as simple as salt could make you feel lighter, happier, and more at peace? 2. Why you should put salt in a sacred corner of your home. Now, here's the core of the practice. Buddhists believe that placing salt in specific corners of your house, especially those that feel heavy or stagnant, can completely shift the energy in that space. Choose a corner that feels tense or chaotic. Is there a room in your house where you often feel stressed? Or maybe a corner where things just seem to go wrong? This is where the magic of salt comes in. Salt doesn't just sit there. It works. It absorbs the energy that's holding you back, creating an invisible barrier that pushes negativity out and welcomes in positivity. 3. The ancient tradition of using salt for purification. Let's take a deeper look at how salt has been used for purification throughout history. For thousands of years, salt has played an important role in spiritual practices across many cultures. In Buddhism, monks would place salt around sacred objects in temples to protect them from negative energy and evil spirits. They believed that salt had the power to cleanse the space and create an atmosphere of peace and purity. But it wasn't just the Buddhists. In ancient Japan, sumo wrestlers would throw salt into the ring before a match. Why? Because they believed that salt would purify the area and remove any bad energy that could affect the outcome of the fight. This tradition is still practiced today because salt is seen as a powerful tool to protect and cleanse. Salt has also been used in many other cultures, like in ancient Egypt, where they used it in rituals to honor the dead and purify their bodies for the afterlife. In Europe, salt was sprinkled at the entrances of homes to ward off evil spirits. Even in modern times, many people use salt baths to cleanse their bodies and release negative energy. Imagine something as common as salt, used for cooking or flavoring food, carrying so much ancient wisdom. This wisdom has been passed down through the ages because salt has a natural ability to absorb negative energy and create a peaceful, positive space. Whether it's for your mind, body, or home, salt remains one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for purification. This is why it's still used today to clear away bad energy and restore balance. 4. The science behind salt, how it changes the energy. Now let's talk about the science behind how salt works. Salt doesn't just influence spiritual energy, it has a real, scientific effect on the environment around you. When salt is placed in your home, it releases something called negative ions. These negative ions are tiny charged particles that can have a powerful impact on how you feel. Have you ever noticed how refreshed and calm you feel after being near the ocean, a waterfall, or even during a rainstorm? That's because these natural places are full of negative ions. They help clear your mind, reduce stress, and make you feel more at peace. This calming effect isn't just a coincidence, it's a scientifically proven fact. When you put salt in the corners of your home, it releases these same negative ions. The negative ions interact with the air and help neutralize bad energy. This means that any negativity, stress, or tension in your space is absorbed and replaced with more positive, peaceful energy. In fact, studies have shown that negative ions can improve your mood, help you focus better, and even improve your sleep. They help to clear the air, making it easier to breathe, and can reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. So when you use salt, you're not just clearing spiritual energy, you're also creating a healthier, happier environment for yourself and your family. What makes this even more amazing is that this effect happens naturally, without any extra effort from you. It's like nature's own way of healing your space just by placing salt in the right spots. This shows that the benefits of using salt go far beyond just tradition. They are rooted in science, and anyone can take advantage of them to create a peaceful, positive home. 5. How to use salt in your home for instant results. Now that you understand the power of salt, let's dive into how you can use it right away to cleanse your home and bring in good energy. The steps are simple, but the impact can be life-changing. Here's exactly what you need to do. Find a clear glass. Use a glass that is transparent so you can easily see the changes in the water. This helps you monitor the progress of the cleansing process. Fill it 2/3 of the way with sea salt. Use a good quality salt, like sea salt or Himalayan pink salt. These types are known for their strong purifying properties. Don't use regular table salt, as it's often heavily processed and lacks the same energy cleansing benefits. Top it off with water. Gently pour water into the glass until it reaches the top. Make sure the salt dissolves well. The combination of salt and water will act as a powerful energy absorber, pulling negativity from the environment. Place it in a corner of your house. Now, trust your instincts. Walk around your home and notice which corner feels heavy, tense, or stagnant. It might be a place where you often feel anxious or stressed. This is where the salt water will do its best work. Once you've placed the glass, leave it undisturbed for 24 hours. During this time, the salt will begin absorbing any negative energy around it. When you check back after a day, take a close look at the water. If the water is still clear, that's a great sign. It means that the energy in that area is balanced and the negative vibes are gone. You can now move the glass to another corner of your home. If the water is cloudy or murky, don't worry. This just means there's more negative energy in the space that still needs to be cleared. Simply repeat the process by replacing the water and salt every 24 hours until the water remains clear. By doing this regularly, you can keep your home filled with positive energy. This simple method will not only cleanse your space, but also help you feel more peaceful and in control of your environment. 6. The spiritual significance of this ritual. This simple act of placing salt in your home goes beyond just removing bad energy. It's a powerful spiritual practice that teaches us to be mindful and intentional in our daily lives. In Buddhism, every action we take, no matter how small, should be done with purpose. When you take the time to cleanse your environment with salt, you're also taking a moment to cleanse your own thoughts, emotions, and energy. By consciously placing salt in your home, you're signaling to yourself and the universe that you are ready to release any negative feelings or thoughts that are holding you back. This practice isn't just about the physical act. It's about creating a mental shift, a reminder that you have control over the energy in your life. Each time you change the salt, think of it as a way to start fresh, to let go of the stress and negativity that might have built up. Just like in meditation, this ritual helps you to center your thoughts, breathe deeply, and focus on the present moment. As you perform this practice, you're reconnecting with your inner peace, allowing the calmness within you to grow. Buddhism teaches us that our external space reflects our internal state. So by creating a clean, positive space in your home, you're also creating the same energy in your heart and mind. It's like pressing the reset button for your spirit. The more you practice this ritual, the more you'll feel a sense of harmony and balance in your life. This is a simple but deeply meaningful way to embrace mindfulness. Every time you clear the negative energy, you are also making room for more love, kindness, and compassion to flow into your life. Over time, you will notice how much lighter and more peaceful you feel, both in your home and in your soul. 7. The ultimate reward, a space of peace and positivity. By using this salt technique, you're not just cleaning the physical space around you, you're creating an environment where positivity can thrive. Think of your home as a reflection of your inner world. When the energy in your home is peaceful, you feel peaceful. When the energy is negative, it affects your mood and your focus. With this salt ritual, you are bringing balance, clarity, and calm into your space. Imagine walking into a room and instantly feeling the weight lift off your shoulders. You feel lighter, more at ease, and more centered. This is the power of salt. It doesn't just clean the air, it transforms the way you feel inside that space. You may notice you're able to think more clearly, make decisions more easily, and focus on what really matters. The clutter in your mind begins to clear, just as the energy in your home becomes cleaner. Whenever life feels overwhelming, remember that you have the ability to shift that energy. This salt practice reminds you that peace is within your reach. No matter what's happening around you, you don't need to feel stuck or weighed down by stress. With just a simple act, like placing salt in the corners of your home, you are taking control of your environment. Every time you replace the salt and see the water turn clear, it's a sign that the energy in your space has been refreshed. It's more than just a physical change. It's a shift in your mindset. You'll feel more motivated to pursue your goals, more open to positivity, and less affected by negativity. This practice is a powerful reminder that small mindful actions can have a big impact. It's not just about cleaning your house. It's about creating an atmosphere where you feel supported, safe, and inspired. By regularly using this salt method, you are choosing to live in a space filled with peace and positivity. And when your space is filled with good energy, it becomes easier to attract good things into your life. The best part? You can do this anytime, anywhere. Whether you're feeling down, stressed, or just want to improve the energy in your home, this salt technique is a simple but effective tool that you can rely on. It's not just a one-time fix. It's a lifelong practice of nurturing peace, positivity, and balance in your life. The beauty of this practice is its simplicity. Salt, something we use every day without thinking, can become a powerful tool for transformation when used with intention. This ancient Buddhist method allows you to take control of the energy in your home and your life. And the best part, anyone can do it, so why wait? Try this salt method today and see for yourself how it changes the energy around you. Once you experience the peace and positivity it brings, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.